In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to hide and unhide chats on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the conversations page. Then head over to the conversation that you want to hide. Press and hold on the chat. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option chat and notification settings. From the options, choose clear from chat feed. This will hide that chat from your feed without deleting any saved messages, snaps, or chats. Tap clear to confirm and the conversation will disappear from your chat list. To unhide a chat, tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner, scroll down to Friends section and tap My Friends. Search for the conversation you want to bring back. Press and hold on their name, tap chat and notification settings and then select pin conversation, or also you can type in any message and send it. This will unhide the chats. So this is how you can easily hide and unhide chats on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.